Alright, so in this question, we are going to look at the drilling operation. So we are going to perform four operations on a certain hole feature, and then we are going to look at the total machining time in minutes. So let's open the part. So this is the feature. So you are going to create an operation for these four operations. The first one is a center drill. We are going to use this to 6 mm diameter. So we've created the first operation. The second one is the drill. So we'll come back and edit this. So let's just go back. The drill. So the tool we are going to use is this. So we are going to use this tool. No, this one. So we have this. The next operation is this. With this tool, we'll come back here later. So we are going to use this countersink, and then the last operation is tap. So edit this one later. Okay, so we have all our four operations. So now we are going to apply this settings to each operation. So center drill. So let's go back. Center drill. Edit definition. So we are going to. So the type is sports drilling. Drill is one. So drill is one. Sports drilling. Clearance plane. Top of stock. Distance 5 mm. Machining depth 3 mm. Okay. So we generate two parts. Alright. So we'll do the same thing. Edit definition. Feed and speed defined by library. Type picking. Sub pick. amount 5 mm, the sub pack amount 5 mm, type packing, dual 0. So fees and speed defined by library. Machining depth is 44.20. Okay, so okay, so we generate operation the two part. Sorry, so the next one here, edit definition. So fees and speed defined by library. Brilliant, dwell one. Okay, machining depth 8 mm. So I think that is it. Alright, so just okay, and then generate two paths. So the top fees and speed defined by library. Who parameters 5 mm. Machining depth 32 mm. Okay, generate two paths. So we have this. Now save operation plan. Create a new strategy for this door feature and name it set tap. So we are going to name. So we are going to save operation plan. Create a new one and label it set tap. So what we are doing here is we are going to save all the four operations inside our tech DB, and then you are going to use it later in the next question. So the name is set type, and then the feature type is a whole subtype, and then all these parameters. So click OK. So you are going to look at the estimated time for all the machining operation. So we just come here, edit definition, statistics. So the total machining time is this. Alright.